I'm an anesthesiologist, as you have heard, and interested in what's happening after ischemia. Many of our patients in intensive care, as well as in emergency intake of the hospital, arrive with ischemia, and especially the brain is sensitive to that. You know, for regular treatment, without treatment, I should say, the tolerance for ischemia is 5 minutes. After that, you probably will come back to any brain function at all. As you can see here, I am also a co-author, or at least the rest of the authors have been in India, and Madame Patniak is still in Varanasi, and it is a joy for me to present her work here. We use today, by recommendation of the American Heart Association and the European counterpart, as well as Australian, hypothermia after a patient arrives in hospital with a renewed heart action. And it saves lives, it increases survival, and it's known to have a neuroprotective effect. However, we have a slight problem. Patients are brought from somewhere low or in the city, and it will take up to 2 hours before they are brought to hospital, and we can start cooling them, and we achieve the temperature that we released, the target temperature of 33 or 40 or 34 degrees Celsius. By serendipity, I would say, we have previously demonstrated that the old dye from the 19th century, methylene blue, has considerable biological effects. And we have gone further into this, and now we have asked for a question. Can methylene blue administered early during intravenous during, maybe I should stop before.
Please go ahead.
Okay, our questions were, can methylene blue administered early during intravenously during resuscitation project the brain in the period before full effect of hypothermia is achieved? And measurements of a set of indicators of peroxidative injury be successfully measured in brain tissue? And if so, what do they indicate when we review the current study against previous ones we have performed? This is the protocol. We have 3 groups. We have short group. Group where we used hypothermia after 30 minutes. So we had a pause here in between the intermission. Then we have the third group, the same cooling 30 minutes later, but here we also added methylene blue that was added already during the cardiopulmonary resuscitation, and we gave it intravenously, so action. This is the timeline. The experiments lasted 180 minutes, and you can see here we have 12 minutes of untreated cardiac arrest, and then 8 minutes